Surya Datta National Awards 2016 Education and Literature. This year's award goes to Padma Bhushan Professor Dr. Satyavrat Shastri. Surya Datta National Award in Education and Literature. Our previous awardees are Dr. B.K.S. Iyengar, Dr. Shankar Abhyankar, Dr. P.R. Dubhashi, Ved Prakash, Dr. P.C. Shezwalkar, Dr. Arun Nigwekar, Sharat Chandra Darade, Dr. Gururaj Mutalik. Surya Datta Lifetime Achievement Awards 2016. Padma Bhushan Professor Dr. Satyavrat Shastri for excellence in the field of education and literature. In recognition for his contribution as a Sanskrit scholar, persevering and enriching Sanskrit literature. 85 years old, Dr. Satyavrat Shastri is a highly decorated Sanskrit scholar, writer, grammarian and poet from India. He is one of those few scholars of Sanskrit in the country who have made a mark in both the widely different fields of critical scholarship and creative composition. His literary work consists of some of the most delightful poems, dissertations on some of the toughest problems of Indology, a humorous skit, and a translation from English into Hindi. He is the recipient of many national and international awards, including the Sahitya Akademi Award for Sanskrit and the Jnanpith Award. It is the combination in him of the poet and the critic, the playwright and the translator, the interpreter of the old tradition, and the original thinker that marks him out as one of the most remarkable personalities in the contemporary Sanskrit field.
Scholar who is recognized for preserving and enriching Sanskrit literature with his creative and critical writing. He is recipient of 98 international and national awards, including the Sahitya Akademi Award for Sanskrit, the Shri Guru Govinda Samacharitan, the Jnanpith Award, and many others.
लक्ष्य हमारा जीत हमारी जीत का।
सूर्य दत्ता पुरस्कार मुझे जीवन भर स्मरण रहेगा। ये पुरस्कार एक विद्या की और ज्ञान की संस्था ने दिया है। इस संस्था के माध्यम से ज्ञान का प्रचार प्रसार हो रहा है, ज्ञान का दान दिया जा रहा है। संस्कृत की एक सुप्रसिद्ध उक्ति है, सर्वेषामेव दानानां विद्यादानम प्रशस्यते। जितने भी प्रकार के दान हैं, धन दान है, गोदान है और भी प्रकार के दान है, उन सब दानों की अपेक्षा जो विद्या का दान है वो सबसे उत्तम है, सबसे प्रशस्त होता है, और ये संस्था विद्या का दान दे रही है।
प्रथम सुमिरन गणेश जी का दे आशीष हमको, माता पिता और गुरुजन का है